we'll start off by showing a part that we went from fabrication to casting. So one, it talks about welding up there. So when you're having to weld multiple components together, you're spending a lot of time in assembly. Whereas if you could cast those components all into one piece and then just machine the critical features, you're saving a lot of time in processing and labor. So for example, this part, you've got multiple parts that are kind of coming off, so you can create a up to 6-parted tool, so you can get a pretty complex shaped part. That way you're reducing your end assembly time when it comes to creating a casting or your design you need for manufacturing.
Yeah, I would say, just to tag on to what Rachel said, you're removing all aspects of fabrication if you transfer your design to a casting. Well, we like all of our skilled tradesmen, no doubt about it, but as noted on the sheet there's a lot of applications or operations that are involved with creating a fabrication, whether it's steel, aluminum, stainless steel, etc. As noted, we have your welding, laser, water jet, the burn tables. Those are high dollar operations with skilled employees who are needed, much needed in maybe a lower run type situation. But when we go to the high volumes, which Rachel and I spoke of earlier in the session, there's definitely a cost savings there. Talk about quality, talk about repeatability. The castings, when we can be turned into an aluminum part, it's the way we steer our customers that way.
Mm-hmm.